Hi there, my name's Jess and I'm in the marketing team here at SAP Concur. Today I'm going to be running you through Concur's invoice solution, which can be tailored in both price and functionality to suit businesses of all sizes. I was recently speaking to a local company here in Australia who suggested that they had a really messy accounts payable process. Their paper-based invoices were being approved manually, coded, itemised and then manually integrated into the finance system and just stored away for the next 7 years, hoping for the best during audit time. So if any of this sounds familiar, then this demo is for you. Supplier invoice automation is becoming increasingly popular for businesses of all sizes, which is why I'm going to show you today why businesses just like yours are choosing SAP Concur solutions. With Concur Invoice, your business can increase visibility, reduce wasted time, save costs, and boost productivity. Concur Invoice integrates into the systems that you're already using to save you from the hassles and inaccuracies of manual data entry. Concur Invoice integrates an entire platform of spend into the one place, so you can see all of your outgoing invoices, travel, and employee expenses before it even happens. So, without further ado, let's take it for a spin so you can see for yourself why so many thousands of businesses are choosing SAP Concur solutions. Let's start with capturing an invoice. Your suppliers will receive a centralized email address to send invoices to. If an invoice comes in manually, simply scan or fax it to that centralized email. Once it hits the email, the data from the invoice is then extracted using optical character recognition, or OCR for short. The data is then verified or corrected by either an auditor or invoice verifier. Once the invoice has been verified, it will trigger an approval workflow, and Concur can actually replicate the workflows that you already have in place, including your delegations of authority. If you're raising purchase orders, Concur can also do 2- and 3-way matching, extracting your PO data from your purchasing or finance system. Alternatively, you can take advantage of Concur's purchase request module if you're interested in introducing purchase orders into your business. Concur leverages machine learning to capture and process details such as the invoice number, date, postage, tax, and more. At a line item level, Concur Invoice will capture the description, quantity, unit price, and categorizes these by expense type. Our solution's matching capabilities compare invoices to purchase orders and goods received, instantly displaying exceptions. Now, let's jump into the approval workflow. Invoices can be approved in the office, on a computer, or on the go on a smartphone. The approvers can simply open the Concur mobile app to approve invoices, purchase requests, or expense reports if you're using Concur Expense. The approver can quickly pull up a summary of the invoice, the line item details, and most importantly, an image of the invoice on their smartphone. In one click, the approver can approve the invoice or send it back with a comment to the submitter. There is no need to rely on your team to drive spend compliance, with your policy and audit rules built right into the platform, making you aware of issues before they cost you time and/or money. Not only that, the Invoice Manager dashboard will provide you with full invoice tracking capabilities for an entire view of company spend. You'll have the ability to see all your invoices as soon as they are received and at all stages of the invoice lifecycle, increasing visibility. Now let's have a look at reporting. By leveraging SAP Concur's reporting dashboards, you're able to see both expense and invoice spend to help your business better understand the bottom line of your company spend. Concur Invoice comes with a load of standardized reports so you can understand the status of each invoice, assess spending data to see how long it's taking you to process these invoices, compare spend by department, and identify trends in spending with your vendors for ongoing supplier negotiations. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Concur Invoice integrates into the systems that you're already using, cutting out the manual data entry. Once the invoice data is pushed into the ERP or accounting system that you're using, you can also schedule payment batches through our payment partners, or simply continue to make payments as you do in your business today. And it really is that easy. An enterprise-grade software tailored in both price and functionality specific to your business size will allow your business to grow and scale quickly. Concur Invoice offers a holistic approach to managing spend so you can focus on what matters. If you'd like to learn more, get a quote, or even just chat to us, you can visit the link above.